So what we are going to watch in this video, how to install Docker easily in your Windows and any kind of operating system, because Docker is available for all. Docker, firstly we search in any browser, then first go to that link, and here you can see download Docker desktop and Mac, Windows and Linux. I am going through with Windows because it is Windows, and I have already installed this in my system. So just I will go through, take you to see installation process. To see installation process, going to Windows section, today, here, Docker, yes. Now installation succeed, close. Now we can simply check our version of Docker. How we can check? By run as administrator, and you can simply open the CMD. Yes. Now we are going to see Docker version / version. This will show, yeah, Docker is installed already. Go. Let's open this one. And firstly it's for asking a sign in, but we will skip here. And now it's ready to use. You can use. So that's all in this video. We will meet after a short break.